Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolls. First, gather all your ingredients like flour, yeast, sugar, salt, milk, and butter. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized. Next, activate your yeast by dissolving it in warm water with a pinch of sugar. This step is crucial for fluffy rolls. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Once your dough is shaggy, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your rolls structure. Then, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, which usually takes about 1 hour. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Turn it onto your work surface and divide it into 12 to 16 equal portions. Shape each piece into a smooth, tight ball. Place these shaped rolls onto a baking sheet, leaving some space between them. Cover and let them rise again for about 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. As soon as they come out of the oven, brush them generously with melted butter. This adds a wonderful flavor and keeps the crust soft. Enjoy your delicious, homemade rolls while they are still warm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.